anytime a helicopter went over, that affected me very much because I saw some guys die in a helicopter, well, actually 2 helicopter crashes in Vietnam. Loud noises. Don't like to hear those because I heard enough rockets and shells coming in. One of my experiences in Vietnam, and I won't get into details about the experience, but flying over North Vietnam at night in the mountains at low level in an unarmed transport, and then having the Vietnamese tracking you with their SAM missiles, firing at you with anti-aircraft. And one night we had a MiG-21 fighter come down and try to chase us. So a few stressor factors there that I can still visualize. I still can. I've had trouble in the last 9 months or so since I went through the PTSD training to even drag up those images, but they're there.